Okay, so I'm making a video of, you know, what functions I know how to do on this, which is pretty much nothing. So I'll show you and you determine what's up. Okay, I have it plugged in. Has the original pedal. So there's like no sewing, anything set up. There's no thread. There's no thread set up. But oh, click. I'm not sure what that does, but it spins. Exciting. That seems to not want to move unless you're really strong. Oh, more intelligent. Okay, yeah. So this thing's moving. Now, I don't know if it walks, but it moves. It does move. Oh, look at that. You can walk in the night. How exciting. Oh yeah, I actually I should go pedal. And you can tell the engine's old. When I press on the pedal, I do kind of smell like that plasticky smell that you smell from old electronics, or I mean, old items that have motors. But it's sold as is, 4 parts. And yeah, just read the description for more information. Oh. It also comes with this officially brand bag, you know, goes over the top. This also sets up. I mean, it looks pretty clean. It has some dust, as you can see, but not many marks on the white. Like, you know, on the edges, I don't really see that many dents. Also, it's not, none of this plastic, or, well, none of this white is yellow. I mean, this is kind of yellowish, but very, not really. A slight tint of yellow on this. But like that back, that's really white. The front, that's pretty white. You know, normally with old items you get a yellow tint from if it's in the sun. It looks like this one's pretty good. Besides that, see what I mean? That one's kind of slightly yellow. But you could probably just get that off with bleach or something like that. I don't know.